Here's how you can add citations to your text instantly. First, open AnswerThis and head on over to the AI Writer section. Here you can go ahead and insert your text, or ask a prompt into AnswerThis, as I have done on the right hand side. I said write a literature review on culture shock when studying abroad. And here we can go ahead and say edit with AI. Afterwards, the text will appear on the left hand side with all the citations intact, but say we want to add citations here. First, we can go to our library, and if we've already saved papers here or added papers from our Zotero or Mendeley, we will have them here, and we can scroll on down, find the paper that we want to add, and simply click Add Citation, and just like that, on the left hand side, our citation has been added. Additionally, if we want to search for a paper, we can click on Search Paper on the right hand side and simply enter a prompt or a few keywords to find the paper that you're looking for, and you can also add filters to hone down your search even further. And as you can see, just like before, we have our papers and we can simply scroll down, say add citation, and if the paper is really good, we can also save it to the library that we want to add the citation to. I hope you found this helpful and good luck researching.